roach on your shit, my guy?
Really?
Oh my god, there's
Is there really a roach?
Yeah, this is the first roach I've seen in here for a couple
That
days.
is
Or
massive.
couple
Whoa.
months. Hey. I look like shit. Yo, shout out to
Dude.
Bush's Baked Beans. Bro, this shit's home style as fuck. You know what I'm
Put the
saying?
beans in it. Anyways, it'll fit.
Wait, no, he has a straight pipe. Don't you have a straight pipe 4-inch? Where is that?
No. Oh, I have a.
Okay, it does not fit.
It's right where? There, go try fit
Wait,
that one.
That's fine. We can bend it. We can hit it with a mallet. No, really.
That's gonna be a lot of hitting, bro.
No.
Okay. Will it be serviceable, or is it gonna be something where it's like, oh, you welded it, it's there.
Phone.
Welcome back to an episode of DNA Garage. Alex's
DNA Garage.
DNA. Ooh, that's actually DNA Garage.
So Drew, what are we doing to the
You know what's
240?
funny though?
We're
Because you say
fucking sending it.
Maybe a little bit. No, dude. Look at the frame rail. Frame rail. Look at that. That's like
well, just needs a little bit of pipe cut. It'll be okay.
if he does a 3-inch. Oh, it's not
Oh,
perfectly circle.
I mean, look, it won't even. I don't know. I don't know why he wanted to run a fucking 4-inch down. It's not even gonna fit no matter what you do.
But he needs a 4-inch, bro. He's got a big, badass V8.
I mean, look, like this can work.
Yeah, to where? To the to the firewall? Or what you could do? Why not just do a fender exit? Throughout there.
I don't want to ruin those fenders.
Why not? They're stock, aren't they?
Yeah, but they're like $300 a piece stock. Because drift tax.
The exhaust before we mounted the turbo.
What do you mean?
Like we should have ran the exhaust, the downpipe for the turbo before we actually mounted the turbo.
Well,
So
no,
that
because
way-
you need to figure out where the turbo's going to sit first, and then you fab the downpipe.
Well, we know it can sit in this vicinity, so you know that's why you.
Well, I mean, it could be right here.
That's not even above your waist. That's actually
That doesn't
above your
count. It's not above your waist, though.
waist. Below your waist is what it is.
Below your waist. God
The fact
damn
is,
it.
you still looked at it.
Okay.
What happened to your turbo?
What was that? You're like,
That was like. You just go home.
oh, we need to go. Lowe's trip. That'd be funny.
No, like I'm genuinely concerned for your health here because this isn't gonna work.
Wait, what was the? What's that from? Is that from Captain Planet?
Something like that. I don't know what it's like. To the ship, and it's like. You know, then they're already. I have a really bad fuel leak.
Oh, you started
I
it?
think I have a fuel leak too.
Oh yeah. His is like dank as fuck.
Really? No, mine's like you turn the key and you hear the fuel pump going, all of a sudden you hear. You look down, it's just like. But, let me grab my keys.
Do they make such a thing as like super short?
Did they make a name for this rabbit?
No, there's no name for him.
Bucky?
Yes.
No, what the fuck kind of stupid name is that?
There's Bucky over there.
You need to name him Pop Rod.
That's actually would be a cool name.
I know.
Poor
Because
bunny.
he's the shop bunny.
God.
Brian said come throw some hands.
Go throw something.
You know, no, I was gonna say you should name him Hot Rod.
I voted for Turbo.
He's a
I hate Turbo.
He's a shop bunny, dude. He's a shop bunny.
He's a shop.
Shop bunny.
Welcome to the shop.
That's my shop bunny.
We ain't got shit in here.
It's got a lot of
Anyway.
shit in it.
There's this one guy who's got turbo Trans Am, and he's got 3 little ducks that hang out in his garage.
What the
lit.
hell?
Like, not
He
a
calls
dog.
them shop ducks.
Not a dog, not a cat, but a fucking duck.
Just do a hood exit. Just YOLO.
Jesus fuck, man. You know, like you. Oh, fuck. You
Well-
guys are just all up making shit in Like you can't even run a hood exit.
No, yeah, you can.
Where?
Literally from here up there. That's it.
No, I've got that 90-degree pipe, that bend. We're just gonna chop it up in half. I'm not gonna use the U. See, look. You chop that bitch right down the middle like this, you got 2 90-degree bends. So then you just shove that bitch like this. Yeet.
That's too far, but I would like maybe cut it a little bit too, to where it's like closer. You
In
know?
all honesty, I'm probably gonna cut that here and here, use that bend to angle it straight to where it's right here, and then cut a 90-degree off like that and have the
I just say
pipe right here.
Let's just notch it.
Maybe you did. Wow.
Is it the same industrial shit as this?
No.
No.
It's Rust-Oleum, guy.
Hey.
Wait, but you didn't paint the back. Oh, look how fucking rusted this is.
Yeah, I know. camera doesn't need to see that.
Anyway,
Look at that rusty water pump though.
can we not
Dude,
point out the bad
dude,
things?
look how rusty your fucking block shit's getting. It's because it got wet.
I know, don't worry. First start will knock all that shit off.
You think so?
Because of the torque. Yo, let's go. We need.
Thank you, my dude.
You're welcome, bro.
You cut out some more. Oh my god. You cut out. Oh, so you cut out
Okay, so
more,
we
so
did-
you put the radiator hose can right.
Oh, shit,
The radiator hose can go right here.
Yeah. So let me tell you what happened.
Okay.
If you actually trade sides.
Trade sides. Okay.
Straight
Move.
sides.
Move.
Okay.
We need more light in here because like you can barely see down there. Well, you can see there's a hole. Whatever.
Down right here is the lower radiator hose.
See?
Right here.
Yeah.
And that one is supposed to come up, of course, and then go here.
like on a normal car.
But on a normal car, but I'm boosted and I'm trying to retain factory AC, which is gonna go right.
Okay, go ahead.
Anyway. Oh goddamn, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice
Damn.
one. So, now, in order to run AC, I'm gonna have that bitch right here.
Okay.
Of course, there's a oil filter relocation kit right there, but that's gonna be going over on that side over there soon, over there somewhere. So in the meantime, there's no way I.
All right, continue.
Technically, it's not, but it'll work.
Well, just adjust.
It's like 90, 95. Maybe 90. It
Like-
hits the actual throttle cable. Squeeze it a little bit more.
That's pedal to the ground.
Damn, dude, your dipstick is like amazing. Holy shit.
Okay, that's
Look at that.
a little bothersome that you're obsessed with this dipstick.
But it's chrome.
Did
Like-
you get that, Jer? Did you get that?
Shut the fuck up. Can I pull it? Oh,
Why are you pulling his dipstick?
look at that. Oh, chocolate milk.
Are you live too?
I'm live.
So we're both live at the same time?
Yeah, we're both live
So
at
is
the
that
same
like
time.
Inception?
Oh, liveception.
Liveception?
Okay, running open headers. Just wanted to see if it starts.
Do you have
Fuel's
anybody
hooked
following
up.
you? Was anybody watching?
No, nobody's watching right
Nobody's
now.
watching me either.
So that's like pointless
R.I.P.
then.
Yeah, it's 12:30, but it's okay. I'm gonna save it where people can watch it all
Yeah,
day.
exactly.
That works.
So like it's kind of live for them anyways.
All right. So
Liveception.
we got our Facebook, or sorry, not Facebook, YouTube
Facebook.
Vlog Inception. Vlogception.
vlogger.
There you go.
Hey, whose camera is that, by the way?
Mine.
Anyway, got a little bit of fuel pressure. So here we go. Here goes nothing.
Oh shit, I'm on 10%. Okay.
Shout out to this Honda Pilot here.
Hold on, wait a second. It's just gonna fly off.
Mama's over there. She's scared. You know, I'm gonna give this to y'all.
Leave it to him.
Pause due to poor connection. It's empty.
You see?
Excuse me.
I used it as soon as I did it. So good.
Well, that helps. I have one in my car.
That would really do a lot.
I have one in my car just in case.
Oh, fool ass battery.
Come on, come on. Alright, here we go. Tip number 2. Here we go. Come on.
Hey, it's getting better.
Give us some throttle.
Swap the.
Point the camera to the front.
Ooh, that was way better though.
That was.
Son of a. Maybe it's a tune?
The tune shouldn't prevent it from not starting.
Like maybe he's like something's not like. What's wrong? Why are you smiling?
I'm not smiling. I'm putting my rotator.
Oh, I'm like. Why is this fucker smiling? Well, to be continued.